A little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to him, Tim, you're my friend. I treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India. You can build in India if you want to take care of India, because India is one of the highest tariff nations in the world. It's very hard to sell into India.
U.S. President Donald Trump has issued a fresh warning to Apple, demanding that the company build iPhones in the United States. In a Truth Social post on May 23rd, Trump said Apple would face a 25% tariff or more if its phones were made outside the United States. He added he had already told Apple CEO Tim Cook he expects iPhones sold in the U.S. to be manufactured domestically, not in India or elsewhere. The statement triggered an immediate market response, with Apple shares falling more than 2% in pre-market trading. Trump's comments also dragged U.S. stock index futures lower, raising fresh concerns among investors. Production of Apple's flagship phone happens primarily in China and India, which has been an issue brought up repeatedly by President Trump. Apple is positioning India as an alternative manufacturing base amid Trump's tariffs on China that have raised supply chain concerns and fears of higher iPhone prices, Reuters reported last month. Recently, Apple announced that most iPhones sold in the United States would originate from India in the June quarter. It is not clear if Trump can levy a tariff on an individual company. This is the latest jab at Apple from Trump, who over the past couple of weeks has ramped up pressure on the company and Cook to increase domestic manufacturing. As per reports, Trump and Cook met at the White House on May 20th to discuss Apple's operations. Notably, Trump has also criticized other major U.S. firms like Walmart as part of his America First trade agenda.
A little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to him, Tim, you're my friend. I treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India. You can build in India if you want to take care of India, because India is one of the highest tariff nations in the world. It's very hard to sell into India. And they've offered us a deal where basically they're willing to literally charge us no tariff. So we go from the highest tariff, you couldn't do business in India, we're not even a top 30 in India because the tariff is so high, to a point where they have actually told us, I assume you too, Scott, you were working on that also, that there will be no tariff, right? Would you say that's a difference? They're the highest and now they're saying no tariff. But I said to Tim, Tim, look, we've treated you really good. We put up with all the plants that you built in China for years. Now you got to build us. We're not interested in you building in India. India can take care of themselves. They're doing very well. We want you to build here, and they're going to be upping their production in the United States. Apple. So Apple's already in for $500 billion, but they're going to be upping their production. So it'll be great. So I really think we've gone from a laughingstock 6 months ago to the hottest country anywhere in the world. And that's not just in business, that's in everything else, and it's psychologically hot too. And I just want to thank everybody for being here. I want to thank the media. The media, I have to say, has been very fair.